we want to make some bento cupcakes and cake today. So we're going to use this packaging box and the bento separator. Acha niite separator. So we're going to try with this and this one, alafu tuone gani ndio itatupatia the best results. Because sometimes by the lazima ukuwe na room ya kutry vitu kwa bikari yako. Utengenezi tu just the standard order. So that's the bigger sheet and then this is the standard what you're used to. So unaona hizi zinakuanga ziko juu kidogo zimeinuka because it's shallower and smaller. Yeah, so let's make some cupcakes. So let me weigh them out. Now we come to the fun part. Remember the scoops? The scoops I had talked about, that normally we use this measuring spoons kuchota nazo. If you do not have an ice cream scoop, based on ile unataka kutumia unaweza tumia hizi. Yes, so I think on this one we can put 80 because inakaa ni kubwa. So I'll just scoop and drop. Yup. Beautiful. Nice. Remember, everything in measurement. So here's our first set, chakua caramel cupcakes. The next one I'm thinking of doing, I don't know, strawberry? I think strawberry. We'll do strawberry. I'll be back.
Pick up when me set it, you have it. Pick up, so when me set it, you have it. Pick up.
Nige ni chape ni setie ni shande.
The strawberry cupcakes came out. So as I was baking, I realized this is actually a very good tin for muffins. You can use it as a muffin tin because it's very deep and hollow. So sometimes you go innovating as you go. So you can see how flat top our cupcake is. And then imeja vizuri sana. Like if I would compare this to the others, you can see the difference in size. This is bigger. This is bigger. This is deeper. This is wider. So I hope you can see the difference. I can't wait to see how the finished bento box itaka. Experiments are very amazing. These ones I'm really looking forward to.